Hello people and welcome back to Space Agent. Today I'm going to show you watch the great Leonids in the moonless sky. Okay, SpaceX launches its first operational mission. Wow, it's so short. Okay, back to what we're looking for. The great Leonids in the sky. Unlike many meteor showers that are called great or famous for their remarkable appearance in the sky, the Leonids have also made a significant contribution to science. In today's article, after you read this article, you'll know about their history and how this meteor shower influenced the scientific study of meteors. And of course, this article will explain how to observe this noteworthy event. Let's begin. I will start here. I'll click the Leonids. Man, I forgot that. Now where is Leonids here? It's locked, but I should find it. I think I'll find it later. I don't know why, but they catch whatever is the subject and lock it. When to observe the Leonids. When to observe the Leonids. The Leonids are almost as famous as the Perseids. They are known as a prolific meteor shower and are associated with the comet Tempel/Tuttle. Their radiant point is located in the constellation Leo. The meteors appear to originate from this constellation. The Leonid meteor shower is active from November 6 to 30, with a peak of November 16 to 17, so tomorrow and after tomorrow. During its peak this year, the moon will only be 5% illuminated. This gives observers a better chance to catch a meteor. The less the moon lights up the skies, the better observation conditions are. Unlike the northern Taurids, the Leonid meteors are very fast, more than 200 times faster than a rifle bullet. A glowy Leonid meteor flies at a speed of 71 kilometers per second and leaves behind a long blue-green tail. Its vapor trains may linger in the sky like enormous smoke rings for 5 minutes or more. Watch for the Leonids an hour before dawn, when the constellation Leo is at its highest in the sky. Most likely in 2020 you'll see up to 20 meters per hour if you manage to find a place away from city lights. But from year to year, the number of meteors on view vary tremendously. The history of the Leonid meteor. I won't read this, but you can read it. You can pause the video and read. Okay. Before I saw Leonid. Now I'm looking for Leo. Okay. Now let's do that time lapse thing again. This is okay. Move this all the way to here. No, that's okay. Wow, it's really is outstanding. Let's see the beneath stuff. If you are busy and stuff like that and you don't want to watch the whole video, you can pause after I told you to read the thing. If you read it or not, it's your choice. Well, They are subscribed. I have subscribed to some things in it. Here. Okay. As you know, I removed the how much subscribers. I know how much, but you don't know how much. What was I talking about first? Channels. Okay, space. The things that I recommend is space videos for the space thing. Space video j.w.astronomy. I have a lot of subscribers. Star Walk. I was about to forget that. I think there. And NASA. NASA's latest video is SpaceX. Wow. I'm surprised. RV World. The reason I think I subscribe to RV World, I think it's because of that solar system. I don't know why, but there's so much. And I could say also the VR 360. Like videos like VR 360 time travel 500 years into the future, or for example, the time travel and the one below it and the one below it until Holy Bible. No, I don't think it's related. Like, there are lots of videos, space, roller coasters, etc. It's actually so fun. I might even play one of them. New Earth at the end. It's an extra.
Steve and Dave use eToro to invest in the financial markets. Steve does research on global.
Imagine if all the planets in our solar.
I don't know why, but this stupid eToro just comes up every single day. Okay, I'm using a phone.
System, we're at the same distance as our moon. The first planet we can now see is Mercury. During the day, temperatures on Mercury's surface can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit because the planet has no atmosphere to retain that heat. Nighttime temperatures on the surface can drop to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. The next planet is Venus, second planet from the Sun and sixth in the solar system in size and mass. At its nearest, the planet's surface temperature is about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is also often described as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide. If you swipe to the right, here comes the massive Jupiter. This is the largest planet in the solar system and is the fifth planet out from the Sun. It is 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. It is made primarily of gases and is therefore known as a gas giant. Also often described as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide. If you swipe to the right, here comes the massive Jupiter. This is the largest planet in the solar system and is the fifth planet out from the Sun. It is 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. It is made primarily of gases, and is therefore known as a gas giant. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets. It turns on its axis once every 9 hours and 55 minutes. The rapid rotation flattens the planet slightly, giving it an oblate shape. Jupiter has unique cloud features. The upper atmosphere of Jupiter is divided into cloud belts and zones. They are made primarily of ammonia crystals, sulfur, and mixtures of the two compounds. The Great Red Spot is a huge storm on Jupiter. It has raged for at least 350 years. It is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Now if you swipe to the left, Saturn is best known for its fabulous ring system. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in our solar system. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant and is composed of similar gases including hydrogen, helium, and methane. Saturn is the most distant planet that can be seen with the naked eye. It is the 5th fabulous ring system. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in our solar system. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant and is composed of similar gases including hydrogen, helium, and methane. Saturn.
That's one of the videos. And I could also point out bright side. I know there are some scary stuff. It's just that's where the scary stuff are born. But for example, November 2020, for example, there is a black hole, ate a star like spaghetti in 6 months. A strange object is circling Earth like a second moon. There are lots here. Okay, there are millions.
Just look.
There are lots of just mysterious and just riddles. I don't know why, but it puts riddles every day.
As soon as the Earth is cut in half, almost all living creatures will come to an end. An apocalypse will begin, which is not...
I'd obviously want to watch it in the night. If I knew what would it say at the beginning, I wouldn't have watched it. Okay, bye. See you soon. Bye.